Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 9th. In this video student, we are going to understand the ICT skill, that is ICT tool of session 3 part, in which we are going to understand smartphone and their tablets. Here you can see student a particular image that is going to show here, that is basic control of mobile. So here we are going to just go through what are the different basic control of a mobile phone. So first of all, we will talk about the power button. You can see this particular button. Every mobile phone contain this button. This actually used to start and shut down a mobile phone device. Screen. A screen actually usually gives the output to perform some functions by touching with the fingers of the user. And then back button, so it is used to back button to go back to the previous screen in the application. You can see here back button is given to given the back side, I'm saying downward, that back arrow it shows. Now microphone, this is a present at the bottom of the mobile phone, and we speak into the microphone when we talk someone definitely. And the menu button, this is used to show the option available in a particular app. This may be not present in all mobile. So you can see here student, menu button is showing here. You can see, I can show you here student. So here you can see this type of menu button, not in all mobile phone, but in the place of this particular menu button we can use another shortcut to use that also. Now home button, actually this brings you back to the home screen, and from where you are, actually suppose that you are an application or some kind of application is not going to turn off, so that time you can just press 2 times back button, it will give you the home screen, and there is a home button directly for that also. Now that is earpieces, this helps you to listen the voice call. Definitely it help you to just listen the voice call that transmit to the another one mobile to yours. Volume button, this helps you to increase or to reduce the sound of your mobiles. Now basic feature of the mobile devices. So what are the basic features? Some of the basic features present in all mobile devices are, which are figure number 3.3. So here we can say the basic features are there, that should be have a smartphone. As I teach you, ICT tool contain the smartphone also, that help you to connect with the internet also. So first one thing we are talking about Bluetooth. Second one thing, that is chargeable battery, then Wi-Fi, touch screen, camera, clock, cellular network connectivity, and GPS, that is really that is trending thing that is today, that is global position system. So now let's talk about the Bluetooth. So actually Bluetooth is a short range wireless technology student. With the help of we can connect with another Bluetooth enabled device within the 30 feet, or we can say that 15 meter, or within the 1.5 room also. But problem is regarding to this connectivity, if there is any obstacles, that is solid obstacle will come, the strength will be reduced and quality will be also reduced. So it will help you to send the message and songs and transfer the data, small data, like that. Chargeable battery, this with the help of this particular feature of the smartphone, the whatever the mobile we are using, it drain definitely the battery after some time of uses. So to recharge is we need have a rechargeable battery, okay, or we can say that we need to charge it again by plugging into AC point through the adapter. Okay, now Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi, that means to say wireless fidelity. It is actually also one of the feature of smartphones. With the help of this particular smartphone features, we can connect to the local area network, or we can say that internet connectivity, to connect with internet, and we can send the definitely other facility like with internet, like email, social media, networking, chatting, anything that we can use with the help of internet. Touch screen, as you can see student, here is a black screen you can see here. So touch screen is nothing, it is a simple screen. It has not its own output, so whatever the output, it will be represented by the application or mobile. So with the help of touch screen, we can give the input to the mobile phone also by touching our finger. Camera, so smartphone, definitely smartphone and tablet are having the front camera and back camera to capture or record the video. It's up to mobile phone technology which type of mobile phone we are using, and its resolution and its quality. Now we are talking about clock. So clock, actually most important feature of the mobile phone. With the help of clock, we can just trace in which time a call has come, or what is the day, time, whatever, etc. So we can manage the time there, provide the ringtone, I'm say alarm, etc., and reminders also. And nowadays some another application like Google app, that is calendar, etc., has introduced in Play Store, that definitely helps you to coordinate with clock also. Now cellular network connectivity, so with the help of this we can just provide the network Actually, it provides the network through which we can make the definitely call. This will gives you the strength of the signal also. Now GPS, that is trending, most trending important content of the day, and say features, that is global positioning system. It helps to navigate, or we can say that finding the direction system that helps you to navigate and find the direction to map, especially we can see that Google Map. Okay. Now home screen of the mobile phone device. So you can see figure number 3 point shows here home screen. So basic gesture and use. So student, first of all we have to understand what are the gestures. Gestures actually the some kind of movement of particular fingers on the screen, maybe a tap, maybe a drag, maybe a slide down, whatever. Okay, so here first of all we will talk about the basic gesture, that is tap. If you touch the screen while you with your finger, once it will open your what thing screen. After pressing the power button, then it will come. Okay, I'm to say the gesture will be enabled after pressing the once you have to power button. Then after that, if you'll tap your screen, it will light up. I'm to say select your content. Now tap and hold. This is similar to right click on your mouse. Okay, drag, actually it is similar to the mouse dragging that I had teach you already in part B of the 9th class syllabus. That means to say tap and hold and move to your finger across the screen. Swipe, that means to say you have to just use the finger to right or left as I'm doing here. Okay, so up or down, there are multiple directions of the swipe, maybe a up, down, right, left. Okay, or diagonal up, diagonal down, upside or downside, it's up to you. Zoom tab, so zoom tab actually twice click. Okay, quickly you have to twice 2 times like this. You can see I'm just going to zoom it. Okay, and pinch, it means to say with the help of thumb and finger you can just need to screen like pinching. You can see that pinching. Okay, so it also helps you to reduce and zoom the size also, like I'm doing like this. Okay, so student, in this session we have understand the smartphone facilities, features, and how many operations and tools are there. So I hope student you have learned today what I have teach you. So here you will do the question and answer of the day, that is here A and B also, along with some descriptive. So till then student, thank you and have a nice day.